Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OPPO K13x. Okay, so we have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So, the first and the most common method is a simple reset using our settings. That's the most known method. And the second is a method through the recovery mode. So first let's begin with the first option, through the settings. Open up your settings. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom, click on System and Update, and now Backup and Reset. Also, if you want, before the reset, of course, you can create a backup. Thanks to that, you will be able to restore your data later in the future. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want you can look for it. Alright, now all you need to do is to tap on Reset Phone, and we are interested in that last option, Erase All Data. Of course, we can also in here reset network and Bluetooth settings, or reset all settings if we want. Now simply click on Erase All Data, and then follow the instruction on the screen, and if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turned on again automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that's the first method. And now the second one, which like I have said is through the recovery mode, and this method is recommended, for example, when our phone isn't working properly or when it's lagged. First, we need to power off our device. Let's tap power button and volume up button to launch the power menu. Now click on, grab this white ball and put it on power off, then release your finger, just like that. Now our device has been turned off. Now let's wait a few seconds. And to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold power button and volume down button at the same time. Keep holding. When the OPPO logo appears, let's release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume down until we launch the recovery mode. It might take a few seconds, so simply be patient and keep holding the volume down button. Okay, just like that. And now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we can use volume keys and power button to confirm the selected option, but we can also use our fingers. It's completely up to you. Let's select now Format Data. Now we need to type this code using our keyboard and click on Format. Alright, data formatted. Now the device has been automatically turned off. Now it's turning on again, and just like in the previous method, we need to wait until it gets turned on, and then we need to set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.